So in general, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also told you how you could deal with the wealth that is coming in and how you want to make sure that you do money and good distribution and money management. With the money management, that is what will secure for you to make sure that you're not wandering your money and you're not finding yourself at the other, let's call it, in deficit. You're in deficit, you're going back with your money, you're going back with all your property and all of that. Well, according to the studies, they'll tell you that it's basically deteriorating the children's ability to understand the world around them, their social skills, etc. That's why Islam was telling you, no, we don't want such games to basically deteriorate your mental health. If studies, well, games don't deteriorate mental health.